Hi YouTube family, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for the love on my channel. I really appreciate it and I don't take it for granted, guys. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family, welcome to Packets of Peace. And for those who always watch my videos, you have a special place in my heart, guys. So guys, today I want to show you another cooking video. And the day I realized that I can actually eat this thing, whatever I'm going to show you guys, is the day that my life changed completely. I'm speaking about omena, sardines for my US viewers. So guys, I want to show you guys how to cook omena the right way. I feel like a lot of people don't eat omena because of the smell and that curly taste, and I'm going to show you why, guys. So guys, let's go see the ingredients, guys. So guys, as I told you, we're going to do omena. The small fish. I know you all know them as omena or the sardines. I don't know if they have another name. So this is what we're going to do. We have omena, we have 1 onion, 1 tomato because of the amount that we have a lemon, we have some dhania, and we have vinegar here, guys. So guys, here's the deal. When you want to take out that harufu, okay, let's go step by step. First, we're going to sort out our omenas because omena is so dirty. So you're going to take an extra bowl and you sort out your omena. Now when you're sorting out the omena, you see, is what I'm saying, guys, it has a lot of snails. If you don't sort it out, you're going to eat a lot of that. So you take a chunk like this and then you sort out your omena. You look for the one that looks like it's not dry in a car. When you press it, you feel like it's wet. Okay. I know most of you don't like omena because of the smell. Most of you. Wanajijua. After you sorted out your omena, here's the trick, sasa. Make sure you do this if you want to like the omenas best. You can have, you see, we have the vinegar here, we have vinegar, and we have lemon here. You can use both, but you can always go, let's go natural. Let's use the lemon. Because you can see there's someone here at the background. Okay, wait, mama. So guys, after that we have hot water. You soak your omena in hot water, guys. Please don't skip this step. Don't skip this step. You soak your omena in hot water, and then here comes the best part. Because I have lemon, I'm not going to use vinegar. But if I did not have a lemon, I would have used vinegar. You squeeze in the water. Okay, let me show you guys. And then the smell, that omena smell, you can smell it because we have already soaked in hot water and lemon. So guys, we're going to rinse this off with some cold water to stop the cooking. Yes, so let me rinse this with some cold water, and then I show you guys the next step. Guys, we have already cleaned our sardines, our omena, how you call them. Now guys, the next step, make sure you clean your omena till they are clean with cold water because they had soaked in hot water. Now we are going to fry them to make them a little bit crisp. Guys, let me show you. easy steps to prepare your omena or sardines, guys. You can serve with ugali, rice, spaghetti, indomie, anything, guys, and it's going to taste perfect, guys. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to cook omena using milk or heavy cream, guys. Thank you for the love.